Hey there, welcome back to channel. Huawei launched new smartphone Huawei Mate 60 Pro. The phone built with glass in the front and back with aluminum frame. Mate 60 Pro come with very high quality 6.82-inch 1B color 120Hz OLED display, and the front is come with triple punch-hole camera, main camera and ultra wide and also some sensors, and the rear is come with triple camera setup 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel telephoto lens. The phone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 88 watt fast charger and is support 50 watt wireless charging and 20 watt reverse wireless charging. The operating system is Harmony OS 4.0, making the Mate 60 Pro the first phone with this UI out of the box. The phone comes with 4 colors: green, silver, purple and black. Huawei Mate 60 Pro comes with 12GB of RAM with 3 storage options: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. 12GB of RAM and 256GB variant price is 6,999 yuan, about almost $960 and 900 pound. So this is all about Huawei Mate 60 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
And all this time